Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When it comes to real estate investment, there are some key factors we need to consider before investing in any kind of project. First of all, locality of the project. Secondly, what kind of facilitation and things you are going to get in that project. And thirdly, and mainly, developers' credibility. How much credible developers are and how much they are committed to their work. Assalamu alaikum from the platform of CDB Properties. We are here on Bahria Orchard Phase 4's main boulevard. I have with me Mr. Haris. कैसे हैं हारिस भाई? आप ठीक-ठाक खैरियत? Alhamdulillah, thank you so very much. Tell me something about this area, Bahria Orchard Phase 4 main boulevard and commercial hub activities. There are too many buildings under construction over here. Tell me something about the locality and the projects going on over here, please.
Zahibi, thanks a lot for inviting me. First of all, if we discuss about this location is very important while we are discussing or analyzing any project.
Okay.
Currently, we are located at the main entrance of Bahria Orchard Phase 4, 160 feet wide main boulevard. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि Bahria Orchard Phase 4 आने वाले लाहौर का एक future होने जा रहा है. We have multiple high-rise project at here. That is a very well-planned commercial hub by Bahria Town Management. We have a lot of investment opportunities that lie within this commercial hub for all those investors who are considering to do their business or are just considering to invest in the real estate and get good rental out of here. As we have got a lot of community surrounding in here, यहाँ पे हमारे पास multiple societies नजर आती हैं जिसमें हमारा Bahria Orchard itself एक well developed society है. अच्छी खासी occupancy phase 1, phase 2 में हमें नजर आती है. इसके अलावा we have other societies like we have Lake City, we
So
have
you mean
Al-Kubir
all arrive and road, there are too many societies
number of
available.
societies,
Yeah.
almost 2 dozen of societies which lie in the
There are too many
on the-
people already living over there. They will be accessing this commercial hub as well in future. Thank you so very
And the
much.
most important thing that when we are analyzing any commercial, that is the future of that commercial. If we analyze the next 3 or 5 years, तो हमें ये देखना चाहिए how much consumer market is going to be
How much
there in
footfall will
that
be here in
certain
this
area.
area.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have multiple universities where approximate thousands of the students daily commute at here. क्योंकि बच्चों को यूनिवर्सिटी से फ्री होके कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट भी चाहिए होती है.
बिल्कुल.
They go for the shopping. They
So you
go
mean
for
this
the
is ideally located commercial hub on all Drive-In Road. If we start from Dhokar Niyaz Beg till Drive-In, we got too many other societies and there are millions of people living over here in this vicinity. They will be accessing this commercial hub in future. Thank you very much. Secondly, tell me something about too many people say that there are too many buildings and apartments and commercial activities are going on over here. Will it be saturated? Will it be occupied in future or it will be vacant or
all,
empty?
जैसा कि मैंने आपको स्टार्ट में भी बताया कि there are multiple societies over here, and when we are investing in a commercial, that is not only important that we analyze the current situation of that area. The future is more important. In commercial, that is a long run investment. That is not a short term investment.
No, I'm talking about apartment buildings. There are hundreds of apartments will be available in these,
Yes. The demand will be
high-rise.
there. With the passage of time, you will see that the demand will be creating and it will not be stopping anywhere.
Exactly. Thank you so much. There are too many projects, but if we talk about this project by Aussie developers, this is looking like fastest project right now in the market because I think nearly 20 months ago it was launched and it's almost 10 slab is being prepared and they are going to get this ground floor operational in upcoming June 2025. What you say about Aussie developers and Bahria Sky?
Yes, Zahir, the CEO of Aussie Developers, Mr. Haroon, have announced that we are going to operate the ground floor by July or June of 2025. That is a remarkable progress. Although the project was expected to deliver in 2026 end, but they are going to start their ground floor. So the activities are going to start.
So nearly 1.5 years ago they will give the possession to the ground floor customers.
By the end of 1.5 year, approximate, the project will be totally delivered. That is a remarkable progress. This is, mashallah, a very big project. It's a huge project.
How much gain is already in this project who have invested nearly 20 months ago? How much appreciated price they are getting right now?
Zahibi, on an average, people are getting approximate 20 to 22% financial gain in a year on this project.
Okay, it's nearly 20 months now, so almost 40% they are in profit.
Yes, already appreciated.
Whoever
by the
suppose invested 10 millions, they are it's almost 1.4 millions now.
time. Yeah,
That's
they are in the
that's
process
really
of 4
good.
million.
And I came to know that there is no customer who have demanded a refund or cancellation any unit. Is it true?
As ARB, Alhamdulillah, the CDB property team is the leading seller
Yeah,
of
yeah,
that project. As you already know, we have
Good.
almost sold 200 units in this project, and not even a single return we have received on that project, and that is a remarkable success itself. You can see when the project was at its start, people used to say they have no background of high-rise. The Aussie developers we are talking about, so they have delivered. They have shown their abilities. They have shown their
Commitment,
knowledge. They have shown their commitments. Yes, that's the most important point.
dedication.
That commitment, dedication is really important. When we are working on a high rise, people used to start their project and they do usually lag. I mean, it's very normal in us that the project is just 3 months late, or the project is lagging just 5 to 6 months. They are not lagging for even a single day on this project. Alhamdulillah.
Exactly. Tell me something about the new customers, because almost 90-95% inventory is already sold out. Is it a wise decision right now to invest in this project, or we should go to the other project, which is Lahore Sky, which is almost in the beginning? Prices are not appreciated that much. I think there is one time they have increased the prices.
Maybe that is a very good point. That is a very important point which our investors should consider when the project is at their launching or pre-launching phase. This is a very good time to invest in that certain project. If we see at the Barrier Sky, viewers, we don't get much of the inventory out of here. We have few units, although that are also very good for commercial point of view, but they are very expensive because of their dimensions that are maybe not in a budget of a normal person who could afford this unit. But if we consider Lahore Sky, that's an opportunity that lies within the Lahore. It's a great opportunity. We have seen the progress of Barrier Sky. So at the
I think, sorry to interrupt you, I think investors or clients who wants to get possession early, within 1 or 1.5 year time,
then
then Barrier Sky is the most suitable option for
recommendable,
them. And if someone is looking for a little bit long investment, 4 year time, then Lahore Sky should be appropriate for them.
Like
Because
we already discussed that the people are getting 20 to 22% appreciation.
Per annum.
For example, the first investor of that project have already got 40% in 20 months. The person who is going to invest in Lahore Sky would also get that appreciation in a year, inshallah, because Aussie is committed. Location of Lahore Sky is exceptionally good. We have DHA
Exactly.
approach at there. We have multiple housing societies like Center Park, we have got Palm City. So we have got multiple societies, we have multiple options that are very suitable for the investment point of view at Lahore Sky as well.
just to summarize today's discussion, Aussie developers, they are very much loyal, they are committed, they are determined, they are exceptionally good in their first project, which is very remarkable, Barrier Sky, and they are going to put all these energies, all this expertise and the experience they have got from here, from Barrier Sky, they are going to get that in Lahore Sky as well. So any specific suggestion or deals or New Year wish you want to say?
So here be the recommendation from the platform of CDB properties. Especially if I am the investor, I will consider Lahore Sky for the longer term, but Barrier Sky for the short term financial gain, because this project is going to be handed over within 1.5 or 2 year maximum. The commercial would be expectedly 100% operational. The commercial will be 100% operational.
Thank you so very much, Haris bhai. In today's vlog, we discussed about Aussie developers, Barrier Sky and Lahore Sky. If you're looking for some investment which you want to get early possession, Barrier Sky is the best option for you, because we got only 5 to 7% inventory left in this project. But the benefit you will be getting from this project, you will be getting early possession, and you can rent out the property and you can start getting a proper rental income as well. On top, Aussie developer has already announced that if you buy any unit which is constructed and you buy that property on full payment, you will be getting 7% annual rental yield from that until you get your possession in 2 years. If we talk about Lahore Sky, that is remarkably located on the main Firozpur road. It is 73 canals gated community, from which they have launched their first tower, which is cantilever design building, and we got 4 cantilever blocks in there. First will be DFO, direct factory outlets. There will be food court in that block as well. Next block will be IT hub. In the third block, we will be getting studio, 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed luxury apartments, and on the top floor we will be getting service apartments and penthouse options as well. So Lahore Sky is recommended if you are looking for some little bit long-term investment for after, like in 4 years you will be getting that property's possession. So for short term, Barrier Sky is recommended. For long term, in 4 year time, Lahore Sky is an incredible option. For more details and discussion, you can contact me on the given number. Haris bhai's number and my number is coming on the screen. You can contact us anytime for further detail and discussion and booking procedure. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel, which is CDB Properties. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for your time.